Hello there, welcome to Crafting Unedited. I am Sierra and I am your host and your designer creator of all things craftily. Today we are going to be walking through the steps on how to create a monogram. I've gotten asked this a few times because a lot of people like the way that they look and they want them for their personal designs, for their home, for their water bottles, for many different things. So I thought, hey, why don't I just do a quick video tutorial? That way it is easier for everyone to understand. And because, trying to write it out is a lot harder than just saying it, right? So why don't we get started? So first you're going to want to make sure that you have your Cricut Design Space open. This is for Cricut only. I don't know how Silhouette or any of the other versions work, but this is for Design Space. And if it works for the same process for the other machines, great. I'm not sure. Sorry about that. So why don't we get started? Have your Design Space open. It's very easy, actually. So we're going to start off with just typing in a letter. And I'm actually going to zoom in for you guys so that you can see better, okay? So we'll go about there. Alrighty. Turn you a little bit. There you go. So you're going to just type in some text. And here I'm just going to type in a C. Make it really big. I do this because I want to be able to see what I am putting together. And I'm going to choose a different font just because I want to do something fun. Let's see. Let's go with something swirly. I want to do not that. All right. We'll just go basic for the video. So you got your letter here. It can be a letter, it can be a number, it can be a word, it can be whatever you want. So then once you're done, you're going to go over to your shapes. You're going to pick out a square. You're probably thinking, why would I put a giant square there? You're not. You're going to hit over here in this little left-hand bottom corner. There's a lock. You're going to unlock that and make it a rectangle. For as big as you want, you want to make sure that it's going to be big enough to take out the part of the C or whatever letter you have there, to put whatever you want inside of it. So then, once you have it in place, you're going to select it all and hit over here down in the bottom corner, right here. You're going to hit slice, and it's going to slice it. And you'll see here, this is what you want. So you'll move this over, and I just delete all of that, just like that. And then to create those fun little lines that you like, or that I like too, you'll do the same thing with these little squares, and you'll just create a line with as thick of a border or as thin as a border as you want. And then what I do, so that I don't have to do it twice, is I just duplicate it. That way they are the same size. And you put them right there, and I select these two, and I will align it so that it's together. And then you're going to take your other text, you're going to type in whatever you want. If I can spell this morning. Oh, look, it kept that same font. Alright, so you're going to select it, put it there, make it as big or as little as you want, and I actually don't like the way that looks, so we're going to make it bigger because I can. Ah, no. working with dual monitors on a MacBook is really difficult. And that's still not big enough. Alright, so I think that's just because of the font, which is fine. I can totally select something else. Oh. No. There we go. And I can make this just a wee bit smaller to make it fit in there. You get the idea, right? So, simple steps. You create your C. I'm going to zoom back out so that I could talk to you. Whoop. Out, not in. Whoopsie. So, the simple steps are, you open up your design space. You put in a text, a letter, number, word, whatever you want. And then you create a box. You take that box and you unlock it. You make a rectangle. You put it where you want it on your C or your letter, number, whatever. And then you select it all. Use the slicing tool. Get rid of all of the unwanted space. And then type whatever you want inside. It's pretty simple. Not very difficult at all. And if you have questions, I'm always here. You can comment on the video or you can reach out to me on Facebook at craft-ILY. That is our Facebook page, and I do have Messenger open all the time. Don't tell my work that. But I typically try to answer anyone within like a couple of hours. That way you're not waiting forever. Alright, so that is how to make a monogram of a letter, number. You could even do it with an image if you wanted. You just have to put that box wherever you want, slice it, and that's it. Super simple. Alrighty, so until next time, please do, if you don't mind, subscribing. That would be fantastic. That way you know when I am on and, you know, you can see more of my videos. Alright, so until next time, have a fantastic one. Alright? Peace out.